Hi guys, and welcome to week 2. Just like last week, this is a brief video that will cover what you will be expected to complete this week and all of the different parts that you'll be expected to do in order to prepare for the week. So first part that you will have is you need to review the literacy narrative assignment sheet. And there will be a video attached to this as well, covering what I'm expecting from that. Literacy narrative is the first major paper that you're going to write for the class. And it will basically be a story about a form of literacy that applies to you. So that could be reading and writing, or speaking or listening, or it could be some other kind of literacy out in the world, like learning a skill or learning a trade or learning how to speak a language or something like that. So review that assignment page. It'll be a 500-word essay. We'll write it next week. For right now, you're just going to be brainstorming. And the first assignment that you'll have here that you'll actually turn in will be this brainstorming assignment. This will be a discussion board where, with your peers, you will talk about different types of literacy that apply to you. You're going to write some brief paragraphs. In each one of these paragraphs, you'll tell us about the first one is a good experience you had with reading and writing. The second one is a bad experience you had with reading and writing. And the third one is about a form of literacy that has nothing to do with reading or writing. So that could be, again, a language that you learned, a skill, a sport, etc. And then how did you learn that literacy? How has it affected your life? What skill did you have to master to learn that? Try breaking it down. That part doesn't apply. So answer all three of those questions with a brief paragraph, at least 5 sentences. And then make sure that you do that by Thursday the 28th. Your peers will have until Sunday to respond to this and tell you which one of these they think is the most interesting, which one they want to learn more about, what are some details that they want to learn, and help you brainstorm for your idea for the literacy narrative. You will also have until Sunday to respond to theirs as well. So that's all we're going to do with the literacy narrative this week. We'll work a lot more on that next week. Then you will have 2 grammar bootcamp practice tests. These are participation grades. You can take these as many times as you want, but these 2 10-question quizzes basically perfectly match the kind of questions that you're going to take on the actual test itself. So like I said, they're both 10 questions. You can take them as many times as you want, so take them over and over again until you get 100. And pay attention to which questions you're getting wrong so that you know what you're doing wrong and how to fix it for the actual final. When you do that, you can go back and you can review those videos that I posted before and make sure that you know why you missed the parts that you did and get the best grade that you can on this actual test. There's also this review here. This has a lot more questions and answers that you can look at. This is the review sheet. This is the answer sheet. And you can go through that and see, you can grade yourself. This one's not for a grade. It's just to help you if you want to study more. And then finally, this is the bootcamp test. This one will be due on Sunday at midnight. You'll have an hour to take it. It will be 50 questions long, and you only get to take it one time. There will also be stuff that's monitoring if you're cheating or not, so don't try to cheat. You won't really have time to. So yeah, go ahead and take that. You only get one try at it, but make sure that you've done all of the studying that you can first. All right, that's everything for this week, and I'll see you guys in the next video.